Hello everyone, this is Tufan from TK Designer. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add rain effect to a photo with Photoshop. Creating rain is very easy with Photoshop's filters. So especially thanks to Photoshop's builders. And I will show you how to keep the effect editable so you can experiment with the amount of rain and the direction the rain is falling from. I am using Photoshop 2022, but any recent version will work to make this effect. And you can follow along by opening any suitable image into Photoshop. I am using this image from pixels.com. In the layers panel, the image appears on the background layer. To keep the rain effect separate from the original image, we will add the rain on its own layer. So click the add new layer and double click on the layer 1 text and rename it rain. Then hit enter. Now we have to fill the new layer with black by going up to the edit menu. So click on the edit menu and choose fill. Then we have to click here and choose black and hit OK. We can see Photoshop fills the layer with black, which temporarily hides the image below it from view. Now we have to apply noise effect. Go up to the filter menu and click noise and choose add noise. Now we have to set the amount. I am setting here 50% amount and then click on the Gaussian for distribution layer. Now we have to check monochromatic for limit the dot colors and black and white. Now click OK. But we can see that the dots are very small. We should make it bigger. So we have to go up to the edit menu, click on the edit and choose from here transform. Now choose scale. Now we can see that width and height between that link. We have to click the link and we have to change the width 400%. Then click the check mark. And now the dots are much bigger. Now we can face the problem with making the contents of the rain layer so much bigger is that we have also made the documents file size much bigger. So to reduce the file size, we need to crop away all the noise that now extends outside the canvas. To do that, go up to the select menu and click all or press Ctrl plus A from keyboard. Now click image and choose crop. It is done. Now click again select and deselect or press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. In a moment we will turn the noise into falling rain using Photoshop's motion blur filter. But to keep the filter settings editable, we will apply motion blur as a smart filter. And to do that, we first need to convert the rain layer into a smart object. So right click on the rain layer and choose convert to smart object. Now we have to blend the noise in with the image. Change the blend mode of the rain smart object from normal to screen. Click here and then choose screen. The screen blend mode hides all areas of black, leaving only the white dots. To turn the dots into falling rain, we will add motion to them using the motion blur filter. Go up to the filter menu and click blur, then choose motion blur. In the motion blur dialog box, set the direction of the rain using the angle value. I will set my angle minus 65 degree. I will set the distance to 40 pixels. Now click OK. Wow, that's great. We can see the rain in this image, but here we need to get good result. So you have to click adjustment layer and then choose levels. Then to limit the effect of the adjustment layer to just the rain smart object below, now we need to clipping mask the layer to limit the effect of the adjustment layer. Right click and then choose from here create clipping mask. There are three sliders. There's a black point slider on the left, a white point slider on the right, and mid-tone sliders in the middle. To adjust the rain effect, we only need to the black and white slider. The image we need to make it dark, so we need to click here left slider or black slider, left to right. That is much better. Then if you need to brighten the rain that's still visible, click on the white slider and drag it to the left. That is perfect. Now hold down the shift key and click on the rain layer and then press Ctrl G for group it. Now here is the before and this is the after. Thanks for watching and stay connected.